We are almost 100 days from Halloween, and I thought that it would be fun to, instead of walking you guys through like a DIY project right now, because honestly our house is like a mess, and I think if I tried to start another DIY project without finishing the others, my husband would go crazy. I thought we'd just do some decor hunting today. It is July, it's the middle of July, and I've been seeing a lot of other people in different parts of the US that are saying that Halloween is already at their stores. One thing I've been hearing from a lot is about at home. Everyone's saying at home Halloween, Halloween is out. Well, we have one at home, and it is 45 minutes away here in California. And we're gonna go see if they have Halloween. I think that Halloween always just shows up way later here in California because, middle of July is like really still like kind of almost the beginning of our summer. I think like on the East Coast, people go back to school like maybe middle of August, and it starts cooling down like after Labor Day. It's just not like that here in California. It doesn't really even start getting cold until like October. So I think that our summer just lasts longer. They keep our summer decor out in the stores longer and keep pushing that. So oftentimes in California, you won't really see Halloween, at least in my area, until like August, late August, like after Labor Day, which I'm like, no, like, come on, let's, 4th of July is over, let's get the Halloween going, let's get it out, come on. So, yeah, we're venturing to At Home. I've never been to At Home. I had never even heard of this store until everyone online was saying, go to At Home and get your Halloween stuff. Can you see what's behind me? This was a very successful at-home run. It's like home run. Can we call it a home run? It's an at-home run. It's a home run. We hit a home run. We hit the jackpot getting the Halloween stuff at home. Oh my God, you guys. So this is the display I see just like first walking into the store, and I'm like, yes, I've made it. They have Halloween. This was like their first aisle. They had these super cute little trees that light up. My grandma used to have an actual Christmas tree like this, so these Halloween trees kind of remind me of that. I just thought they were super cute. Tons of pumpkins. This one's got a cute like Jack Skellington vibe. They of course had Halloween ornaments for your Halloween tree. I was trying to decide if I should get the orange or the blue. And then I looked on the other aisle that had silver and gold as well. Can't have Halloween at all without candles. And then they of course have plenty of skulls, velvet pumpkins. They had a super cool texture. They just had a few of these signs out. As you can tell, a lot of these aisles are pretty bare still. You guys, they have the spooky trees I was looking for. Yeah, so I'm getting two because I know that once I get one of them home, I'm gonna find a place for it, and then I'm gonna need to put it somewhere, like I'm gonna need a second one to put somewhere because it has to be like symmetric. So I'm just gonna get two of them, I mean, $50, I guess it's about what I expected. It's not like super cheap, but it's not like super crazy expensive either. These are definitely cute, but I have one similar at home, so I think I'm gonna pass on this one. They definitely had plenty of different styles of porch mats and a huge supply of those Ouija board signs. They had some cool wreaths. I really like this snake one because it has like glitter on it too. More pumpkins. These were all glass. This orange one had a really cool like iridescent film on it. I think some of these also had lights inside, so you could like turn on a button on the bottom and it would light up. And then here's your standard fall decor. To be honest, I'm not really into fall decor. I'm really only into Halloween decor, but they definitely had options for you there. And I'm definitely gonna have to come back because a lot of these aisles were just not filled yet. I talked to an employee and they just haven't gotten a lot of their shipments in. It's a brand new at-home store. They did have these kind of like layout guides so you could see what eventually is coming. As I was venturing through the rest of the store, I found these candlesticks in the wedding section, and then I found this giant candelabra. This was like the coolest find ever. I've been looking for one of these for years, so of course I had to buy it. I really wished I had a coupon for this one. I didn't, but At Home does offer coupons, so be on the lookout for that. And of course I had to take some of this decor home with me, so let me show you what I got. I got 2 of these Jack Skellington pumpkins. They were $6.99 each. I thought that was a pretty good price, and that velvet pumpkin was about $8. This bag of mini pumpkins, you really can't have too many pumpkins. It's really just like impossible basically. Definitely needed some more skeletons. Also, I really like these glass bottles. I thought I could use them as like potion jars for something. And then just the velvet skull. I love the velvet texture on it. Those glass jars were $3 each. Really not bad. And I love that the different colors they come in. I've been looking for some more pillar candles. I found these black ones for only $3 a piece. I thought that was a really good price, so I grabbed a couple of them. These gold taper candles I found in the wedding section, so if you're looking for them, don't go to the Halloween section. They're in the wedding section. Definitely had to pick up these bleeding taper candles. I've seen a couple people try them out, and once the wax melts, it like drips down in this red color. I found these sphere candles also in the wedding section, and I'm actually planning to do a little DIY with them. I'm going to paint them like eyeballs and use it as a vase filler. So stay tuned for that DIY. I'm super excited about that one. This little moon mirror was actually just randomly sitting in the aisle. I honestly think it might have been in the kids section. I just thought it was pretty cute, had that little stand in the back. Honestly don't know what I'm going to use it for, but it was only $7, so I had to pick it up because it fits my like Halloween spooky witchy vibe, you know. Decided on the orange ornaments for my Halloween tree. I have a little like 2-foot Halloween tree that's black that I decorate, and then of course spider webs. You can always use more. This snake wreath I ended up getting. I really loved it. I used to have one without the snakes that was just black, but I lost it when we moved, and honestly this one was kind of cooler. Here are those trees that I showed you earlier. I honestly am so excited about these. Can't wait to find a place for them and decorate them this fall. I honestly thought the glitter might be a little bit too flashy, but now I really like how the light reflects off of it. These are definitely sturdy trees. They are not going to fall over easily if you have pets or anything. I ended up getting this little mini spooky tree, even though I know I already have one, but you know, now I have 2, so I think it looks so cute there in the entryway. And it is a little bit different than my other one. I think my other one's kind of like a silvery black with no sparkles, so. Luna. Oh my gosh. And last but certainly not least, my favorite piece of this entire haul is this huge candelabra. I'm really excited about it. I have been in love with this sort of like candelabra, candle, spooky haunted house decor. I actually tried to make a candelabra a couple years ago from like a light post stand and some like wooden dowels, and it just like didn't work. It was so ugly. I threw it away like 2 weeks after I made it. I'm so excited now that I have my very own candelabra. Stay tuned to see how I use these decor items throughout the home and for more haunted Halloween DIYs. I have plenty of fun things lined up for you this season. I can't wait to share with you all. As always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.